Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x. Solution: let us simplify the innermost part, fourth root of 16, and 16 is equal to 2 raised to power 4. So let us replace 16 with 2 raised to power 4. So we are going to have fourth root 2 raised to power 4, and this cancel this, so the answer equal to 2. So the given equation can be written as follows. I want you to note this: if we have nth root of x, can be written as x raised to power 1 over n. Let us rewrite our cube root. That means if we have cube root 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 3. So in place of this, let us put 2 raised to power 1 over 3. So the equation will reduce to 2 raised to power 1 over 3. Also, let us rewrite this using this format. So our x root 2 raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 3 all raised to power 1 over x, which is equal to 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 3 multiplied by x, we have 3 over 3x. So let us rewrite this using this expression. So we are going to have 2 raised to power 1 over 3x. Also, we can rewrite this using this format. And what we have here is a square root. So our 2 raised to power 1 over 3x square root 2 raised to power 1 over 3x is equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 3x, everything raised to power 1 over 2. So 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 3x multiplied by 2, we have 6x. So equal to 2 raised to power 1 over 6x. So let us replace this with 2 raised to power 1 over 6x. So 2 raised to power 1 over 6x equal to 2. And 2, we can say 2 raised to power 1 because 2 is still equal to 2 raised to power 1. Since their base on both sides are the same, we can equate the exponent. So I can say 1 over 6x equal to 1. So let us solve for x. Let us multiply both sides by 6x. By 6x by 6x. This cancel this. So 1 equal to 6x. So divide both sides by 6 to determine our x. Over 6 over 6. X equal to 1 over 6. That is the value of our x. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.